Americans are wasting hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars every month. What if I told you that free AI tools can replace expensive employees, paid apps, and even entire teams? In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools that can save you over $3,000 every year. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last tool can change how you work forever. Tool 1. ChatGPT. The first tool is ChatGPT. Tool 2. Canva AI. The second tool is Canva AI. You can design logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business cards, and presentations without any design skills. Canva AI automatically creates designs for you, saving money on graphic designers and expensive software. Tool 3. Copy AI. The third tool is Copy AI. It helps you write product descriptions, social media captions, ads, blog posts, and emails. Many businesses pay hundreds of dollars per month for writers, but Copy AI does the same job in seconds. Tool 4. Pictory AI. Tool number 4 is Pictory AI. This AI turns text into videos automatically. You can paste a script and Pictory will create a full video with clips, music, and captions. It saves hours of editing time. Tool 5. Notion AI. Tool number 5 is Notion AI. It helps you organize your life, plan projects, summarize notes, and generate ideas. Students, freelancers, and business owners use it to replace multiple productivity apps. Tool 6. Grammarly AI. The sixth tool is Grammarly AI. It fixes grammar, improves writing style, and makes your emails and documents sound professional. It replaces paid editors and saves a lot of money. Tool 7. Jasper AI. The final tool is Jasper AI. It creates ads, blog posts, emails, and marketing campaigns in minutes. Companies pay hundreds of dollars every month for tools like this, but you can start for free. This single tool can save over $3,000 per year. Now you know how powerful AI can be. These tools save time, money, and effort. If you want more AI tools that help you work smarter, subscribe to AI for Profit and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.